Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen right over here, and somewhere below here you'll find your power saving mode. Now by default it only shows you 8 buttons, so let's swipe down here to extend the list, and now we can swipe down to see other toggles like the power saving mode. When you see it, you can just simply tap on it. First time around, it will give you this kind of pop-up right here, so it will tell you what it will be doing when it's enabled. So it will turn on dark mode, turn off always on display, auto sync and beauty, restricts background activity and reduce visual effects. Now, I recommend just checking the box right here to don't remind you again, so this pop-up never shows up again when you tap on the toggle. Click on enable, and there we go. We have this little leaf icon in your battery that indicates that the mode is right now enabled. Now, one of the most important parts of the power saving mode that aren't very well explained right here is the auto sync. This on surface sounds very benign, but what it actually does is when you're not using your device, it will just straight up disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. So during that time, you won't be getting any kind of notifications that require internet connection, as the device doesn't have any. So it will automatically reconnect when you, for instance, wake up the screen and unlock it or something. But in general, this is something that you might notice where you're not going to be getting notifications when you're not using your device. So be very mindful that this is what the power saving mode will be doing. Now to turn it off, just find the toggle once more and tap on it again to turn it off, and every change will be reverted back to the original status. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.